Good morning, students. Myself, Vikram Kulkarni, working in Maharaja Jivajarao Shinde, Mahavidyalaya Srigonda. As a junior college teacher in mathematics, we take 5 lecture on topic function. Now, we moves along 6 lecture, that is some basic functions in which first function is a constant function. We take same domain here, which is function goes from real number to real number, r to r, in which function f of x is equal to k. Okay, where k belongs to r, it is a real number. That means this k is a real number which is a fix. For any elements in a domain, there is a same image in a codomain which is fixed, which is a k. If we take elements in a domain which is 1 2 3 4, an element in a codomain which is a a. If 1 maps with a, 2 maps with a, 3 maps with a, 4 maps with a, if this image is fixed, which is a constant a, or we can take k here. For to better understand, we take image as a k. Therefore, image is a fix, image is a constant. Therefore, this function is known as constant function. Okay, for every element in a domain having constant image in a codomain is called as constant function. Okay, second, identity function. Identity function means every element in a domain having same image in a codomain. Okay, if elements in a domain are 1 2 3 4, then 1 maps with 1, 2 maps with 2, 3 maps with 3, 4 maps with 4. Therefore, there is no change in image. It is an identity function. Therefore, function grows from real number to real number, and f of x is equal to x for every x belongs to r. That is, function apply on x which gives image as a x. Therefore, it is a identity function. Third, power function. The power function, that means it containing the power for a variable, which is expressed in the general form f of x is equal to a into x raised to n, where n belongs to r. N is any power, n is a real number. Okay, therefore we express this function in the form of f of x is equal to a into x raised to n, which is known as power function. Okay, we distribute or we take subtypes for this power function. First is a square function. According to power, we take subtypes. First is a square function. F of x is equal to x square. Because square, it is a square function. Therefore, f of x is equal to x square. Here, if f grows from R to R such that f of x is equal to x square. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements in a domain. Then what is the entries or what is the images in a codomain? 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 4 because function is x square. Function is x square. Therefore, each element in a codomain be the square of element in a domain. 3 maps with 9 and 4 maps with 16. Therefore, it is a square function. It is a square function. Now, in case of cubic function, f goes from R to R and f of x is equal to x cube. X cube. Therefore, this function gets changed and images also changed with respect to function. F of x is equal to x cube. Then elements are 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 8, 3 goes to 27 and 4 goes to 64. 4 goes to 64. Therefore, it is known as cubic function. Okay. Now, in case of next function, it is a polynomial function. It is a polynomial function. Polynomial having general form, f of x is equal to a0 x raised to n, a1 x raised to n minus 1 up to a n minus 1 into x lastly a n. That means this function gives a polynomial having n power. It is a general polynomial. If function goes from R to R, it is a domain and codomain, real number and real number. And function having general polynomial with degree n, therefore it is known as polynomial function. It is known as polynomial function in which a0 is not 0 and n belongs to R. Okay, a0 is not 0 because if a0 is 0, then the highest power in this polynomial is cancelled or vanish. Therefore, this polynomial function in which a0 is not 0. We take subtypes for this polynomial function. First is a linear function. What do you mean by linear? What do you mean by linear? Linear means the degree of the variable in this linear function must be 1. Therefore, function goes from R to R. F of x is equal to ax plus b. That means x having degree 1. Hence it is linear. Okay. In next case, it is a quadratic function. We know that what is meant by quadratic equation in 10th. Then quadratic equation means the polynomial having highest degree which is 2. Okay. Then quadratic equation having general form, f goes from R to R and its general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Which is a general form. Next, cubic function. The polynomial with highest degree 3 in which degree is 3. F goes from R to R. F of x is equal to x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. These are the 4 types according to function. Now, Now, fifth type of function is radical function. Radical function. What do you mean by radical function? If f goes from R to R, if f of x is equal to nth root of x, nth root of x, okay, where x greater than equal to 0, x greater than equal to 0, and n belongs to n, it is a natural number. Therefore, it is a radical function. Radical means it containing roots. It containing roots, square roots, cube roots, or nth roots. Okay, in which x is greater than equal to 0, because our domain and codomain should be R to R. Therefore, in case of x is negative, therefore square root of negative number is a complex number. But here domain and codomain is a real number, therefore we take precaution about x, and n belongs to n, it is a natural power. It is a natural power. According to this radical function, we take subtypes. First is a square root function. Square root function in which f goes from R to R and f of x is equal to square root of x. Square root of x. If there is no mention about the root, it should be square root. It should be square root, or it is represented as. But generally, if there is any root is given, it is a square root. Okay. Here x greater than equal to 0, x greater than equal to 0. Therefore, the square root, that means the function containing square root of x, it is a square root function. Second, cubic root function. Cubic root function. Similarly, f goes from R to R. F of x is equal to cube root of x. Cube root of x. It is a cube root. It is a cube root. For to take example about square root, for square root, first is a domain, second is a codomain. Okay, it is a domain, it is a codomain, and function is f of x is equal to root x. F of x is equal to root x. Therefore, 1, 4, 9, 16 maps with 1, maps with 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. And square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, this domain and codomain indicates that given function is applied on domain which gives images in a codomain. Similarly, we can use cubic root function. Cubic root function. Now, next type of basic function is rational function. Rational function. Rational function means rational number, that means it is a q. The number which is in the form of p by q, where q is not 0, it is known as rational number. It is known as rational number. Similarly happens here about rational function. If polynomials f of x and g of x with f of x is equal to, if we take other polynomials p of x comma q of x, p of x q of x, because we use for f of x for the function. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to p of x upon q of x, where q of x is not 0, because in the case of denominator is 0, then there is a infinity. Therefore we take precautions about denominator is not 0. P of x and q of x are the polynomial which are quadratic equation or cubic equation or linear equation or n powering equation. Okay, therefore we take p of x and q of x in the form of numerator and denominator, where denominator is not 0. It is a rational function, the function which containing polynomials in the form of rational. Next topic is exponential function. Exponential function. If function goes from R to R, where f of x is equal to a raised to x, a raised to x. Here a is a base, and x be the power or index. Therefore exponential function in which f of x is written in the form of a raised to x, where a is the base, and this base is a number, which is real number, and x be the power or index, therefore the function in the form of base is a number and power is the variable, is known as exponential function. Generally we used f of x is equal to e raised to x. Here e be the number, real number, such that e is equal to 2.71, okay, 2.73 or 2.71, which is a number which is oftenly used in logarithms, okay. These are some basic functions. Now we introduce the next basic function, which is a logarithmic function, in next lecture, which having various use in physics, chemistry or general mathematics in practicals. Thank you.